Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video, we are going to work with HTML lists uh, and a little part of HTML inline elements and block level elements. For a start, we're going to work with HTML inline elements, HTML lists. We have two kind of lists in HTML file. An ordered list and unordered list. What is the difference between two types of lists? An unordered list, by its name, don't have order for list and defines with symbols, but in ordered list we have order for list items and we working with numbers or alphabets or anything else. For a start, we are going to create a ordered list. Ordered list defines with OL tag, or OL means ordered list. In OL, we must have uh, items that specifies with li. Li tag is used for list items, and you can you can use it as many as you want. For example, with VS Code shortcut, I create 5 items for my ordered list, and I give value for them. So now we are going to browser to see the result. As you seen in the browser, we we have a list that specifies with numbers. This is an ordered list, means that we have order, as you see, one, two, three, two, etc. Now we can, in ordered list, we can change type of the or sorting. Like, if I get back to the VS Code, in OL tag I give type attribute. In the type attribute, uh, as as you see in the recommendations from the VS Code, we have 5 types of sorting in the OL tag. Um, Number, by default, is the number. Alphabets, big letter or small letter, ro Roman numbers, and items. For example, I test a Roman number. I go back to the browser. As you seen, the order of list is specified by Roman numbers, or you can change it to a small letter of alphabets. As you see it change for this type and any other types of ordered list. The next type of list, as we said, is the unordered list. Unordered list don't have any order for its items. It means that you can't give order for the items. I copy previous list items to new list in unordered list. Like the ordered list, we use li tag for defining items for it. I delete the previous list for seeing better. Let's see the result in browser. As you see, in the unordered list, we don't have any order. We have symbols like that. Uh, we have or any other symbols. Uh, for example, we can change the symbol of our list. For doing this, you must have an style file. I define new style.css file for our project and link it to the HTML file. Link CSS and save it. In the CSS file, we select our unordered list, and in the attributes of it, we write list style type. As you see, we have many recommendations here. Disk, decimal, circle, lower alpha, square, and etc. We have many models for unordered list. For example, I test disk. Uh, it doesn't change because by default it's disk. One other matter in the unordered list, in the style file you can use cube type for defining numbers in this type of lists too. As you see, I use the cube value for list type, and it set the numbers for my list. Or we can use any other Any other types? Circle. In circle, we have very little circle beside of our list item. So like this, you can use any list style type you want to have and use it in your project. One other thing we are going to talk about is an block level and elements and inline elements. What is difference between these two types? We have two kind of tags in the HTML. That one's inline and the other ones are block level. What is the block level elements? Block level elements always create a new line for using. When you define a block level element, it should create a new line for it. But in the inline element, it don't have to create new line. For example, uh, our headings like H1, H2, H3 to H6, mm, there are block level elements. It means that they always create new line for themselves. As you see, uh, it's go to next line for writing heading. It it shows that it's a block level element and must create new line for using. In front of that, we have inline elements like span. Span is inline element. It means that it don't have to create new line. If you define it outside of the you must create new line. As you see, I create two span file and I create two span tag and they create they use just one line for defining two span tags. If I put it to next line, it doesn't change because uh, it it don't create a new line for it. But you can define for a span to create new line for it by style sheets. Like if you come to your style and select span tag and say display block, uh, now you have a block level element and it must create new line. As you seen, each span tag have new line. So this part of the HTML course is finished. Thanks for watching until now. Don't forget to subscribe us for the next videos. See you soon.